Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, we are ending our liturgical year this week. Today, we are celebrating the solemnity of Jesus Christ, the King of the universe. Beautifully, our celebration reminds us of the truth that everything begins with God and ends with God. Jesus Christ is a true King. Our readings this Sunday point us to the kingship of Christ, to which we must pattern our stewardship. Tayo ay mga katiwala lamang, hindi tayo ang hari at ang nagmamay-ari ng mga bagay-bagay. In our first reading from the second book of Samuel, we are told about David, who was chosen to become a king. Surprisingly, he was appointed to become a shepherd. He was appointed to lead other people and not to lord over God's people. Ang paghahari niya ay pagpapastol, gumagabay, naglilingkod, at nagmamahal, hindi nagmamando. Saint Paul, in his letter to the Colossians, gives us beautiful descriptions of Jesus as King. He says, He is the image of the invisible God, the firstborn of all creation. He is the Alpha and the Omega of all creation, and He leads us from darkness to light. Ang kaharian ni Kristo ay kapayapaan, paglilingkod at liwanag, hindi puwersa at pananakot. Saint Luke, in our Gospel reading this Sunday, brings us to the crucifixion scene. There, as Christ is crucified on the cross, mocked and laughed at, one person recognizes his kingship, the good thief. He says, Jesus, when you come to your kingdom, remember me. And Jesus replies, truly I tell you, today you will be with me in paradise. Ito ang tunay nating hari, hindi naghahari-harian, ang hari na hindi naghihiganti, pero nagliligtas. Ito ang tunay na kapangyarihan ng tunay na hari na nagmamahal hanggang sa huli. My dear brothers and sisters, let us allow once again to God to reign in our hearts, families, communities, and workplaces. It is only our true King who can bring us back to our real home, not tomorrow or later, but today. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.